TN News.
The CS Interior, Professor Kindiki, has reiterated that the national government is putting stringent measures to stop manufacture of counterfeit alcohol, which includes denaturing ethanol and ensuring its only use in industries. Speaking in Embu after a meeting with the County Security Committee, Kindiki observed that several alcohol shops and bars that had been opened in total disregard of the Liquor Licensing Act have been shut down.
We have suspended all the licenses of second-generation manufacturers of alcohol. We are vetting them. We will be announcing in 2 weeks' time a new measures of how many of them will be licensed again, depending on passing the threshold for quality control and public health and safety concerns. And we have also given other measures, up to 25 measures, that will make it impossible for people to use the space of manufacturing second-generation alcohol to kill the people of Kenya. We have directed that ethanol be denatured so that it becomes impossible for it to be diverted to distilleries. It can only be used for industrial use and not for alcoholic beverages.
Leaders and locals in Gatundu have welcomed the move by the national government on the establishment of a new law court at Kamwangi village.